Hi, today we are going to talk to Rahul. Rahul is the founder of Handmakers. Handmakers is a trusted brand for people looking for eco friendly, economical, traditional furniture and other household products. Hi Rahul, this is Krishani Poddar. I am a community manager at Startup Greens. I'm delighted that you have taken out time for this interview. So, can we start with your introduction? Can you just introduce yourself?
Myself Rahul Gupta, and I'm one of the founder at Handmakers.
Okay. So, what inspired you to join the company or the sector?
So while searching, we have different ideas we are working on. So the first thing we kept in mind that the idea should have an and it should keep improving people's and also having a pregnance of the local environment. So we choose this sector and we keep going on that idea.
What are the challenges that you faced while starting this startup?
I think as a craft seller, we have lots of challenge, and one of the most challenge is that organizing the artisans is one of the most challenging role we have played. So there is some issue that keep them a daily basis profession. Primary when we have no sale of the product, so it is quite and also the artisan having a traditional way of doing their art, but for the premium market and for the online market, we need to keep improving the designs and all the things they are doing in traditional way. So they always be fear that they are not willing to do an experimental with us. And why not we are an additional basis at that time, because we are in a starting age and we don't have any revenue at that age. So this is quite very challenges to keep an regulation and keep an organizing way to make a product from the artisan at the level of premium tea.
What is your life mantra?
It's not a life mantra. I just found that whatever I choose in my life, I just choose and why good by decision. कि मैं उसे चूज क्यों कर रहा हूँ, ये मैं मेरा फर्स्ट डिसीजन होता है, एंड हाउ इज नॉट माय कैलकुलेशन. So that's why I am not fail or pass in any of my decisions. I just keep pass over.
So, what is the most important lesson that you have learned till now?
There are lots of decisions I am taken in this venture also. So I just found that most of the pupils are judged. So I just know that people should not have a judgment, because calculations are just in a निश्चित criteria में होती है calculations. तो मेरा मानना है कि उन्हें जज नहीं करना चाहिए. They are keep doing.
So, what are the products and the services that you offer?
As a regular way, you are just a craft seller, and in product range, we are starting with the bamboo furniture, and this is the local art we have found from our places. So in the product range, currently we are in jute and the bamboo craft products.
Who are your target customers?
As an ordinary seller, we are targeted only the premium range. But now we have differentiated from the market that we are just not make the craft as a gift or a precious item. We just make any utility of the craft. So we are target mid-range also, and premium from the Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune are regular customer of us, because these arts are not easily available there, and they have interested to all our products.
So, what was the gap in the market that you identified?
Before starting, we just go research. We have found the craft villa and most of the sellers. They are choosing the product from the artisans, and they don't. They give them an extra base on an appropriate price of the product. So we found that this is a gap in the market. कि उन्हें उनका सही wages नहीं मिल रहा. Then second point, we have found that craft not a utility item. Most of the sellers are selling the craft in terms of gift, in terms of display item. But we are choosing the product which have any usefulness, which have the utility in a regular home. So we are just change the consumer behavior to buying a product.
Why should a job applicant work with you?
This is only the nature the applicant can do, but we भी मेरे पास employees है. The one thing I just keep to know that talent is necessary, but they have the vision with the company. They have the sharing with the idea, so they can keep improvement with the company. वो कंपनी के साथ खुद भी बनाए, ये मेरा पर्सनल उनका साथ एक इंटरफेस रहता है. So an applicant should have just not an employee. He is just he is just in a team.
What are the products and the services you constantly require for your business?
There are lots of products we require, and the most important product, as we are hand makers, we need most the artisans and the artisans and the artisans. So most of our product are depend on the artisans. So we have the only USP that we have the artisan in our team.
So what are your recent and long-term plans for your startup?
Yes, we have long-term plan, and currently we are dealing with only with the bamboo and the jute items. We have also good range in start. So currently we are researching with the lab artisans and some kind of marble artisans also we are dealing with. And in future we are also deal with the export technology. So keeping the product range improving, we are targeting in future.
So are you raising external funds, or are you willing to raise external funds in the near future?
It is quite interesting that one of the co-founder of our team is self as an angel investor, and we did not buy raise a single pie from that. So, but in future we have planned that as we start increasing the product range and the other sources from other sources, so we can think that we can have a raise one raise.
What are your feedbacks on startup?
I just found most of the thing the startup lane is from other, that they are finding the diamonds directly from the source. Not just working with the models, they are not just working with the fame icons. They are working with the common people who have an idea, who have a creativity art.
Thank you so much, Rahul. Now we have come to the end of this interview. Thank you so much. It was great talking to you.
Thank you.
I'm sure that the information that you provided during the course of this interview will pave the building way for the entrepreneurs and founders so that they can pave their way to success. We hope to connect with you in the near future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shani. Thank you very much.